When it comes to standing seam panels, a mechanically seamed single-lock system is a great weather-tight option. Single-locked systems require less labor, and it's easier to replace a damaged panel than double-lock profiles. It's an excellent option for milder environments. When installing this type of panel, you will need to rent a seaming tool like the 3-station roof seamer from DI Roof Seamers. In this video, we'll go over the basics to get the job done. Brought to you by Western States Metal Roofing, where you can find a variety of colors and finishes, all while saving by buying factory direct. In this video, we'll cover when you should use a 3-station roof seamer, specifications and safety, preparing your panels for the 3-station roof seamer, and operation. Machines like the 3-station seamer is perfect for jobs using MS2 standing seam panels. MS2 stands for mechanically seamed, 2-inch deep. These mechanically seamed panels are roll-formed with specific edges that line up with each other. Once the two panels are engaged, the mechanical seamer is used to bend the edges and lock the panels together. When installed correctly, this type of panel offers a strong, durable, weather-tight system. Specifications and safety. The Industrial Series 3-station roof seamer is a bidirectional, self-propelled device that offers hands-free operation. Built with a 110-volt electric motor, it produces a 90-degree finished seam profile. It is recommended for 22 through 26 gauge panels. The device weighs 35 pounds and travels up the panels at approximately 44.3 feet a minute. Basic maintenance suggestions are as follows. It is imperative that tooling is kept clean and free of debris. Never operate in inclement weather such as rain or snow. Each day that the seamer is to be used, ensure tooling bolts are tight before the beginning of any seaming. Preparing your panels for the 3-station roof seamer. Before beginning, ensure that the panels are installed correctly and are free of all debris and contaminants such as sand and any sealant or mastic tape. Always attach a tether to the safety hook anytime the seamer is on the roof to prevent it from falling off. It is recommended to seam as you go. In other words, seam the roof panels as they are being installed. This helps ensure that each panel is kept within the module and installed correctly. Hand crimping at the beginning of each panel is required to start the seamer. First step is to use the 90-degree seamer. Crimp 12 to 16 inches. When finished, your crimp should be identical to this. Failure to follow these crimping procedures will potentially result in machine and/or panel damage. Do not over-crimp. This will damage the crimper. In addition, you must hand crimp each panel at each clip placement. The single-lock hand seamer is easily assembled by attaching the extension handle onto the center of the seamer using the included wing nut. Next, attach the side handle on either the right or left side of the seamer by removing the attached wing nuts. Placing the handle through the threaded holes and fastening the wing nuts. Place the machine on the hand crimp portion of the panel at the beginning of the seam, then engage by pulling the handles into the locked position. The handles should lock into place fairly easily. If they do not, make sure the panel is properly crimped. The seamer should be engaged as shown here. Connect the power supply into the quick release plug near the handle of the machine and turn the machine on. The roof seamer may leave dark forming marks on light colored panels. This is acceptable as long as the paint finish is not damaged. Marks can be rubbed off by hand. Do not use solvents that will soften or remove paint. Do not run the seamer within 6 inches of the end of a panel without using extreme caution. Use your hand crimpers to finish any area that the seamer may not be able to complete. Want to learn more about standing seam panel installation? Help support our channel by hitting like and subscribe as we release new videos weekly.